First step in doing a copper joint, coupling to a copper stub tube or pipe, is clean the joint. I'm using a Scotch-Brite pad, and I'm also going to clean the coupling inside. Then you're ready to solder or braze. You would also then, next step would be flux. You would flux the joint. If it was soft solder, we'd apply the flux. Don't overdo the flux. It's not necessary. You would not put flux over the end so that you're not pushing flux ahead of the pipe, and put the coupling together. Now you're ready to solder. And now we have the joint prepared with the flux on it. I'm going to use a little number 3 tip because it is soft soldering. And I'm using Bridget, which is an alloy we manufacture. I'm going to heat the stub tube first, the tube going down into the coupling. Then I'm going to go down on the coupling to get the alloy to flow down through the capillary. Lay the alloy on. Chase it around with the torch. If you're to follow these steps, cleaning, fluxing properly, heating properly, you will have a good, strong joint every time.